Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AK Cooks, and today I'm doing one of the Bangladeshi dish, and it's called, like as we Bengali we call Aloo Bhaji, and it's just like a side dish and it's very tasty. So I'm gonna show you the ingredient I need. And I got 4 medium-sized potato. I cut it small as I can, but if you can more small you could cut it, but this is perfect for me. And I got 2 small-sized onion finely chopped, and 1 small garlic fine chopped, and some coriander for later on for a garnish. So I'm gonna start cooking now. So I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That's it. And I'm adding pinch of methi, dry methi. And pinch of is pasparon for Bengali we say, but in English is 5 spices. Just gonna let few seconds so the 5 spices get roasted. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. Just gonna give it a mix for a couple of seconds. So it's like about less than a minute, and it's the garlic's getting brown now, so I'm gonna add the onions. And sorry about it, I forgot to tell you the green chili, 4 green chilies in there. I cut it half. Gonna give it a good mix. Just gonna add the salt now. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want to more or less, you can do it. And I'm gonna give it another mix. Then put the lid on for a couple of minutes, about 6-7 minutes. So this is after 6 minutes. As you can see, the onions are getting soft now, but that's alright, I need it like this. So I'm just gonna add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's all I'm adding. You don't need too much spice in there, and it still is a quite delicious dish. Just gonna put the lid on. So this is after another 3 minutes. So the spices are cooked well now. So I'm just gonna add the potatoes. I'm going to put the heat high now. All this time it was in the medium heat. So I'm going to put the heat about another couple of minutes high heat. But do check the middle of it in case it will burn. So I'm just going to keep it. So this is was high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to put into a medium heat now. So then it will slowly cook the potatoes. It's not going to burn. I'm giving a good mix now. It will take good about 10 minutes in a medium heat. So this is after about 12 minutes, and I put it first medium heat, then put it slowly for another about 6 minutes. So its potatoes are cooked, everything is cooked now. Smells nice. So I'm just gonna finish off the coriander. I'm just gonna switch off the gas now, and it's done. So I'm gonna dish up now. So as you can see now, it's finished now, and I plate it up and it looks nice. So I'm gonna eat, and inshallah I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please do like and comment and subscribe my channel, and goodbye and assalamu alaikum.